Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making a roasted whole salmon fillet. So let's get into this recipe. It was so delicious, perfect for the holidays. It was perfect for Christmas today, and I can't wait for you guys to see how I made it, and it was just so good. So this green seasoning right here, I didn't even bother to show it in this video because I used it multiple times, as well as I have a recipe for it and it will be in my description box. Sometimes it comes out thinner than other days, sometimes it's thicker, but today was just super green, y'all. I think it was probably the cilantro. The cilantro was super fresh today when I went to the store. So you just want to take your green seasoning. The green seasoning is just like a herby, garlicky, blended mix. You put it all in your mixer and this is what you get. And I'm just going to marinate the fish with it. As you can see, I added no salt or pepper because I don't want the salt to break down the salmon, because I really want this marinade to sit on there for at least 10 to 15 minutes. You can't leave salt or lemon on your fish or it'll start to cook it. So this is the sauce. It's just going to be butter, lots and lots of garlic and honey. And there's a fish back there still marinating. And then you just want to put everything in a pot. And this was a whole entire bowl of garlic. You want to add the honey and the butter. Put it on the stove. Bring it to a simmer for about 1 or 2 minutes. And that's it. Alright, so this is my salmon after about 15 minutes. As you can see, I'm about to add salt and pepper on here. I add salt and pepper right before I put it in the oven. But you can put whatever seasoning you want to, but I just kept it at salt and pepper because the green season has habanero in it, garlic, cilantro, parsley, scallions, thyme. Is packed with flavor. You don't need no extra flavor. So you want to sprinkle salt all the way from the top to the bottom. Y'all, this was a big old piece of salmon fillet. I'm surprised I even found a pan to fit it. After about 15 minutes in the oven, now you want to take the garlic honey butter mixture and just brush it all over the fish. I'm probably going to pick up the pot and pour it all over it, but I want it to be safe to, especially people that are just now learning how to cook. I want to do things the right way. But if you're more advanced, just pour it all over it and just be done with it. And then you put it back in the oven for 10 more minutes. And this is what it looks like, y'all. First of all, I didn't even know that the green was gonna still be so present, but it was just so delicious. I love this recipe. I hope you guys give it a try. Happy holidays, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.